Let's see how to configure contact form. For example, we have made one contact us page. This is blank this moment. We want a form here where people can fill in their information and we can get an email that who wants to contact to us. Let's go to dashboard, plugins. For contact form, we will have to add more plugins. There are 2-3 plugins for the same thing: Ninja Form, Contact Form 7, WP Forms. You can use any one of them. So you have to install and activate Ninja Forms or Contact Form 7 or WP Forms. We can decide which which fields we want. Say for example, name, phone number, email address. So here we have Ninja Form. Once you install and activate the plugin, you'll get this Ninja Form in your left sidebar. So this would have one pre-made form. In case I want to make a new form, I can add new, or I can edit the same one pre-made form. Let's say I edit this, edit, and we can change the fields we want. So it has name, email, message. Say for example, I want to add phone number, add phone. So by default, this phone will go down. So I'll have to lift it up and put it here. And if I want to make it mandatory, this asterisk, so go to settings and required field. Done. So the form is ready. I can change, I can add. Submit button is also there. Publish. Once you publish this form, so we copy this short code from here, copy, and let's go to pages. So let's say this is our site. We go to contact us page. Let's say it's blank at this moment. Edit page. And I paste the short code here and update. So if I preview, so you see this contact form here, name, email ID, phone number, and message. Say for example, I've just input, test, and submit. So automatically one email will come to the admin email ID, and that's how you configure contact us form. You can add this form on any page. It's not just contact us page. You can even add to about us. You can make different forms. For example, if I just want to make a form which has only name and email address, or just email address, let's say I take one email and I take a button which would be submit button and submit. That's it. I just made one form. Done. Publish. Let's say I make it subscribe or anything, whichever title you want to give it. Now I'll have another form. So you can create multiple forms. So I created this subscribe form. Copy this short code. Let's go to pages. And for example, I want to add it on about us page. And I added this short code here. And update. Let's preview this page. So I'll have another form which would be on about us page. So I have another form. So I can create multiple forms. That's how you use this contact us form using Ninja Forms, or you can use Contact Form 7 plugin, or you can also use WP Forms.